Rakuten, Rakuten, however you want to say it. Is it legit or a waste of time? Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to talk about this cashback app called Rakuten. I have been using it for a while before making this video. I'm going to show you what I know about Rakuten's cashback system and hope to help someone like myself who is suspicious about online promos to help you better understand how it works. This is not a sponsored video, it's my own opinion. Stay with me. In a moment, I'm going to go through the app and show you how it works. I do have a referral link in the description down below. You'll get one also when you join Rakuten. If you sign up using the link and spend $30, we each get a bonus of $30 cash back at the time of this video. Referral bonuses range between $10 to an occasional special where the bonus cashback goes up to $40 per referral. That's $40 for you and the referral once they spend the required amount. The required amount spent is usually the amount of the referral. Now, let's take a look. This is what it looks like when you open it up. I'm using a laptop right now. This is Windows 10. If you're using your phone, it may have a different format to it. I just want to point out on how this works. You see up here, you have the different offers up, double cashback stores, hot deals, in-store back, travel and vacation, for and earn $30. So today, if you sign up and spend $30, I'll get $30, you'll get $30. If the $30 promo is still on, any referrals you'll make, the same will go on. That's just for the referral. Plus, you get cash back at these different locations, and it tells you what it is over here. Up to 10% was 5, 4% back was 2. So they're letting you know the cash back you're going to get. Now, stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending customers to shop at their stores. Rakuten then shares a portion of their commissions with their members in the form of cash back. You either have to shop at one of the stores by either downloading the browser extension, using the mobile app to open the store you want to shop, going to like for instance, if you want to go to CVS, it tells you right here. It's letting you know how much cash back can you earn. Now this is going through the CVS site. In just a moment I'll go through this in a little bit more detail. But you're shopping at the store's website. So the prices that you're paying aren't any different. If you prefer, you can also add your credit card to your Rakuten account. Link in-store offers to your card, then use that card to shop at the store. Now we're going to get out of here. Now to join Rakuten, all you need to do is sign up for free is using an email address and create a password. Rakuten is always free. There's no surprise fees or upgrade memberships. I've been using it for quite a while now and I haven't experienced any of that. Once you have begun a shopping trip with a participating store using one of the methods mentioned up above, you'll be notified that cashback has been activated for that shopping trip. So now, let me just show you something over here. I'm going to go to Walmart. Okay, so I'm going to put motor oil. I purchase a lot of my motor oil online for my DIY small engine repairs. Now, as soon as I clicked on this, you can see activate up to 3% cash back. All you have to do is activate it. It's letting you know. In automotive, you're getting 1% back, so on and so forth. Once you make your purchase, it's letting you know it's activated. So cash back isn't available for Walmart for different items like their gift cards and so on. But again, this isn't something you have to keep track of. It does it automatically for you. When you complete your shopping trip as normal, and once the store notifies Rakuten of your order, cash back will be added to your account. Now let me show you my email here. This is the notifications I get from them. I've been set. Okay, let me see. When I went shopping the other night, another program popped up and I clicked on it to delete it, but I activated it. So the Rakuten app was knocked out and I didn't realize it. They're very good to do business with. Contacted them a couple of times on just questions that I had and they responded in no time. Very satisfied with the customer service. Now, they do have 2,500 stores with cashback offers. The website's easy to use. Their mobile app, I don't have a cell phone. It's going on 14 years, no cell phone, but they do have a mobile app. And brands including Nike, Walmart, Target, Chewy, and a lot more. Downside, if any, Rakuten pays every 3 months, but they pay no matter what the cashback is. So if you have $1, if you have $1,000 in 3 months, you're going to get paid. And you have a choice on the way you receive payment. You can either get it by check in the mail, that's how I get mine, or they'll make a payment to your PayPal account. Either way, the method you get paid is your choice. Now, not all items at eligible stores are eligible for cashback. I showed you before, we're at Walmart. They showed what wasn't eligible for the cashback, but it'll let you know. Rakuten will let you know the cashback amount you're going to get as well as the get paid. And if you just want to scroll through this is what it looks like when you're doing it online. Again, I don't have a mobile app, so I really don't know what that looks like on that. And there's all these different stores. 4% cashback, 1% cashback. Now, this doesn't look like much. This video isn't timely. Everybody just did their holiday shopping. But look how much you spent on the holidays. Add it up and just average 2% back. What would 2% of your holiday shopping give you back? Not enough to retire on, but remember, this is on your everyday purchasing going forward. And you do have the opportunity to get the referral bonuses. Contact your friends, your neighbors. You shop by stores, categories, whichever way you want to go on this. Very easy app to use. I'm not the most astute by far when it comes to shopping online. It took me a while to get comfortable shopping online. The pandemic helped push me along with that. A lot of the items I needed for my small engine repair videos, I couldn't get, and I ended up using Amazon, which I have a link for that down below. If you do any shopping on Amazon, if you go through my store, it helps me with my channel. And if you sign up for Rakuten, when you go on Amazon, you will see it pop up if it's a qualified purchase. So if you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button. And be sure to ring the bell not to miss my new videos as I upload them. And until next time, be well.